Hey guys, I don't know about you, but mina sengicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicicic semsifiso abekade emdampile la ensukwini emdampela uShobane. Wayengacabanga ukuthi my fiance could be arrested for killing this guy. So let me go and check ukuthi wenze njani lapha yana kaMetron. Instead uyagijima, uye police station, uyokhalela uSifiso lapha. Kanti lengane leni njani? Hey guys, come on, let us talk about Zethu and more here in this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. If you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. So I was watching episode 1 of season 2 of Homecoming, and I'm realizing Zethu is going to be a problem for Mankwanyane and for everyone. And by everyone, I'm including Shobane, because I don't think after this whole drama that has just happened, Zethu will still go back to Shobane. I think pelile manje Zethu no Shobane. But ngoba Zethu there are chances ukuthi angaphinda buyele futhi kuShobane lokho emala biphinda buyelana and all that stuff. But nje I don't see them working kahle kahle. Now into engicasulile, after finding out that uSifiso is dead, I'm sure whoever told her that uSifiso is dead, they also told her ukuthi ubulewe uShobane. Now akasuke obheka indoda yakho uShobane ukuthi injani after killing lenja le uSifiso, angiphela uSifiso yinja. Akasuke uyocheck ukuthi unjani after killing lenja le uSifiso. Uyasuka yena uya straight to police station to check ukuthi uSifiso ushone ngempela. Just imagine that umuntu onjani ucabanga kanjalo. And nginayo feeling ukuthi njengoba ekhala kanjena nje for uSifiso uzohamba eMankwanyane aye laphana afuna ukuyoclaim umzimba kaSifiso and claim ukuthi hayi uSifiso indoda yami wara. So I am so worried for Mankwanyane, because I know that she's gonna have to go through a lot because of this stupid Zethu. Angazi bafethu nacabanga ngale nto lethu. Do you think uZethu is justified ukuthi ukhalela uSifiso angayinodeni yakhe osupport ifiance yakhe? What do you think is going to happen on this new season? Because I feel like the season laser with a lot of drama. I'm not sure whether Homecoming season 2 will be able to survive without uSifiso. But then, so I do trust Ukwini Paynon and Patricia Zomakwarela. I think they are good with this thing. So they'll be able to come up with creative storylines. I don't know. So comment down in the comment section. Share your thoughts, share opinions about this. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed. And share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.